play and learn.
Hi guys, welcome to another amazing craft section on Nollywood Kids. I'm your friend and host, Miss Daniela, and here with me is
Miss Tammy.
as usual for every craft section, we are going to be picking a color to know what exactly we're going to be doing. Yes, here we have a basket filled with different colored fruits. So if we pick the color red, it means we're going to be having a handicraft section. And if we pick the color orange, it means we're going to be having a life section.
And if we pick the color purple, it means we're going to be having a science section. But if we pick the color yellow, it means we're going to be having a cooking section.
I wonder what we're going to be picking. So let's give this a shake.
Okay, so I have to close my eyes, right?
Yeah, you have to close your eyes. Oh, color red. And that means we're going to be having a handicraft section. So, what do you think we should be doing today?
What about flowers?
That sounds good. I think we need to do something that has flowers. What about making paper flowers and stringing them into a perfect crown?
Yes, absolutely.
Nice. So let's get on with that and let's get our materials to make the paper flowers for everyone. Okay, so here we are with all our materials and Miss Tammy is going to show us the process of making this beautiful paper flowers you can see here. For our materials, we've got the cardboard, we've got the pink cardboard, and we've got the blue cardboard, which is also the color of the paper flowers we have here. We've got pink and we've got blue. And here we have our string to put the paper flowers on and of course make it a crown. And here we've got the scissors, we've got a pencil, and we've got our glue. And of course we have Miss Tammy.
Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to make our paper flowers. Firstly, we have to cut the cardboard, okay? We have to cut the exact amount we need. And then we're going to make a square. Trim out a square. Now we have to smooth out the edges. Okay. So our flower will be looking pretty. Okay. Okay, so after doing that, we'll fold the paper to a triangle. Okay, make sure it's even. But if it's not even, we'll trim it out with our scissors. That's why we have our scissors here. Okay, so now we trim off the excesses. Trim it and make it even. Okay, we've done that. Now we'll take both ends and make another triangle like this. So we'll make the triangle. Make sure these two sides touch these two ends. After doing that, you trim off any other excesses with the help of our scissors. Okay, now we have another triangle. Then you take it, open it. We need to fold it to have this straight line here, so we can fold. Bring this edge, you fold it like this. Then you take this other edge and you fold it like this. And you have this shape. Okay? So after doing that, we'll be needing our pencil. You mark it, make an oval shape like this. When you've done that, you take up our scissors again and you trim following the line we made with our pencil. Carefully trim, okay? Make sure it's this cute. And then you open it up. We have this. So you take it, you trim off this edge. Make sure you watch out for the center. We don't want to get to the center of it. Okay, trim this edge just a little, like halfway through. You trim this other edge halfway through again, while leaving the center, remember. Fold it and trimming off this edge halfway through. Then lastly, we're trimming off this edge halfway through. And there we have it, our flower.
Wow.
And that was how we made all these pretty flowers.
Well, thank you, Miss Tammy. I learned how to make a paper flower. And now it's time to put the strings in and make a crown. But for that, we need to make a hole through the flower.
Okay, so before adding holes to our flowers, we are going to be showing you how to make your flowers even better. Let me show you how to do that with the help of our glue, okay? So firstly, we have to take a piece like this. Then you fold it into two. It doesn't have to be equal. You take your pencil and you map out like this, okay? Something like an oval shape. And you cut out the place we marked. We'll need the glue, our flower, and take a little of this. Add it at the middle of our flower, just a little, and you add it, and there you have it.
And now to make holes through the paper flower so we can attach our strings, we can just use the scissors and, oh, this one already has one. Go to the middle of the flower and just give a gentle poke, and voila, you have a hole. And you just go in and attach one end of the string through, and there you go. So it's up to you to know what colors of cardboard you want to use. It's not necessary that you use blue and pink like Miss Tammy has used. You could go wild with colors and use orange, green, purple. Make your flowers colorful. But for us, we're using pink and blue. I think I've got enough paper flowers on my crown already. And when you feel you've gotten enough paper flowers on your string, you can just go on ahead to flatten it on your forehead, tie the string behind your head, and voila! There you go. Well, how do I look?
Wow, you look like a queen.
Oh, thank you. Well, I can't wait for you to put yours on.
Yeah, I'm almost done with mine.
Oh, that actually looks pretty. It looks very, very pretty. You look like a, like a fairy. Miss Tammy actually looks like a fairy, and obviously I can't see myself, so I don't know what I look like. But anyway, children, that's how you make paper flowers for a paper flower crown. And then you have amazing ones just like we have on our heads. So we've come to the end of this craft section. Thank you so much for joining us. See you next time.
Play and learn.